Morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from at this hour. Today is the 27th of August, 2021, and it's a Friday, end of trading week. And I hope our week has been profitable this far. This morning, I will be speaking. First of all, we're just going to analyze and do a recap of the pick I sent out on Monday, and then I will be showing you one of my secrets that has made me profitable in the market, on how I decided and started using my Fibonacci retracement strategy. Because when I got into trading, that was one of the major strategy that I started using, and I saw that yes, I was profitable. I was able to know where my support and resistance line were, and I knew that, okay, is going to retrace to this level, and I will place my entry at that level, and we'll see that, okay, it gets to that level, and then we'll now see a continuation to actually hit my TP. So I was very happy, and I was very, very happy, and I was making profit. But then we started seeing the opposite, and then I started noticing that each time I place because I'm someone that I'm able to draw my support and know where my resistance is and all that. But then I started seeing the opposite. I'll place a trade, and then we'll finally see it returns to my entry level, and then we'll now see a continuation downside to hit my stop loss, and then we'll now see a continuation to finally go ETP. But then I'm already out of the market, so I started losing money. So then I took a jotter, which I also advise people to do. There are some certain things that is going on in the market that you don't understand. It's best for you. That's why we have demo accounts. That's why you see there's what's it called? The broker, they have demo account. You can use a demo account to study, to do your research, and you know, why is this thing like this? Should I maybe start doing something differently? Because those strategies that we all have in the market, someone somewhere sat down and talked about the strategy, and then we are not using it. So why do you think that you cannot as well develop your strategy, that maybe years to come, so people that are coming to trading will start making use of that strategy? So we don't need to limit our mind. We don't need to limit our thinking to just what we know now. We need to at least sit down and then have everything and do your due diligence and start making research, start putting some strategies, some pattern into use. That's why we have demo account. There are demo account that you can use to build up your confidence and build up a pattern, and then you will now see yourself progressing in the market. That was what I did. I sat down and then I opened the demo account, because then what I saw was this: 9. Let's say if I take 10 peak, maybe 10 trade with the Fibonacci retracement, then I saw that at least 2 or 9 or 8 in that 10 actually went and then hit my stop loss before I now saw a continuation. But 2 out of 10 will actually hit the entry level, and then we saw a retracement down to a continuation to actually go ETP. But I now saw that at 8 out of that 10 will actually come, hit the entry level, then go back down, and then hit my stop loss. Then before we now saw a continuation. But I went back and I saw that my my placement of the support and resistance line is accurate. So why am I having this loss? So I had to take a sit back and then did my own due diligence on some certain pattern. Then I started implementing the pattern that I studied and I learned using the demo account, and having a journal to journal, okay, if I did this today, what happened? So I now saw that if it's better for me that my account is still the way it is. Let's assume my account is or let's say my account balance is $10. It's better that my account is still $10 than my account is that my account is $10 and I miss a trade, that my account is now $8 and I'm in the trade. So I now started thinking, if I develop a pattern that, okay, let me adjust some certain things, like my Fibonacci retracement, let me adjust some certain level. What I now saw that 2 out of 8 might not actually, my position might not actually activate, but 8 out of 10 will actually come and activate. So I saw that 8 is better than 8. If I'm having 8 wins and then 2 market that I'm supposed to go in that I did not, that I missed, it's better for me. 8 wins and the market that I'm supposed to go in, and because I adjusted my entry level, my position was not activated, and then we actually now saw it to hit my TP, but I'm okay if I did not enter the trade. But 8 out of 10 was a win ratio for me, so I started using that pattern. And this is one of the pattern, the market I sent out on Monday. This was the same pattern that I used, and I'm going to show it to you now so that you will see how I actually did what I did. And then I saw that I was even making more profit from the market than I used to do. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to, I don't want this video to be long, because today is the end of the weekend. I'm traveling very soon, the next 2 hours now. I'm going away for the week. So I'm just going to share the screen, and then I'll show you what I did and how I decided to do it. Then I'll just come back and say the closing. We'll ring the closing bell for the week. So let me quickly share this screen now so we can do this one. Control 3, 4, 5, 6. Which one? Which screen am I on? 2. Okay, yeah, I'm in screen 2. 1. Okay, yeah, screen 2. Yes. So I hope you can see this. This was the chart that was sent out on Monday, the 23rd. If you can see, let me just first of all go to our Instagram page. Let me refresh this. Let me refresh. You can see this. This is our Instagram page. This is the. Or should we just first of all do the? Okay, let's just go through the peak, the short position for the week, and see what actually occurred. Let me see if I can get a free chart. Yeah. Okay, not this one. Not this one. Okay, let me just open a new chart. Bear with me, still loading. I just want to open a new it's going to work. Still loading. No. Just bear with me, just trying to make sure that I get. So what's the first one? Is a euro pounds. I'm just looking for it free. It's not what I want to. So why is this one now? It's clear. Hide. Sorry, let me just hide it. So this is the only one. Let me go to 30 because I normally analyze those charts in 30 minutes time frame for the short position. So was our target 0.8610. Let's see if we actually hit the target. It was sent out on 23rd. If you can see, I said 4 days ago, on the 23rd of August. You can see you can go to our Instagram page. The chart are all there. So this 23rd, it was a sorry. Okay, yeah, 23rd. Yeah. So what was our target now? Let's see. Yeah, we'll stay. Indeed. Just quickly. I just pray that this video is not long. So we just this now. Sorry about that. I just had to make sure. So this is what we saw. So did we hit the TP? Let me just get an horizontal line. So we actually got to 0.58. Our target was supposed to be 0.6, which was just a little pips away. Yeah, it was just a little pip away. So we actually got to 0.59. So if you got there and you took your yeah, it was almost at what time is it now? It was almost 14 o'clock at that same day. So if you got to this level, you would have been out of the market at that time. So at least you made some pips. And the other one is Aussie USD 0.7190. 0.7. Aussie USD. Here we have it now. So this is on the 20th of August. So 22nd, 23rd. So this was, I sent it out on the 20 at this level. Yeah. So our take profit was 0. Yeah, we did 0.1. Yeah, we did it with TP on that day. The other one was USD yen. USD yen. So what was our target? This chart was centered. Why is this thing? It was 30 minutes. Okay. Here we have it. What was our target? 1110. 1100. 110. Yeah. So this is on the 23rd of August. You can see it on the mass cost down. So we actually entered the market at this level, and we actually hit 110 on that same day. These are the peak for buy position for. Wait, I just do that. So let me share again. I think so these are the short position for buy. So let's go now to sell USD card. USD card. Okay. So what was that? 23rd. Yeah. Yes, 23rd at this level. Yeah. Yes, at this level. So what was our TP? Can this thing just move, please? $1.27609. 1.27, yeah, 6. Yeah, 1.7. We hit that TP on that day, 1.7 at this level 609. Right. 609. Okay. So we did on that same day, 23rd, at about 12:30. No, sorry, let me just, yeah, that's 16:30. That's 4:30. So where's the last one? So we can go USD 0.9150. China. Here we have it. So what was our entry level at this level? Yes, just 23rd, 8 o'clock. And what was our target? 0.915. 915. Yeah, we go to the TP on that same 195. Yeah, 195. So these are the peak for the week. You can see everything is 100% accurate, and this is not due to any robotic signal. It's due to hard work. So let me give you one of my secrets that I used using the Fibonacci retracement strategy to enter the market. So this is the chart that was sent out. One of the charts that we are still in on this. I think this is the only chart we are still. We're still on Bitcoin now. That's one. We are just, yeah, we are already done for this. Just this one. We're still on this peak and on the Bitcoin. So this is the chart that was sent out on that day, but you can't see now. Let me go to this. You can see it better here. So if you see what I analyzed, I was using the Fibonacci because when I started let me just quickly so that you can see me better. So when I started, what I was doing, 50%, I was using the 50%, the 0%, and 161. So the 50% was my entry level. Then after drawing it, I've seen my support and resistance line. So 50% was my entry level. Then 0% was my stop loss. Then 161.8, right? 880, right? Yeah, 161.80% was now my TP. Then if I spot any other pattern that builds, I might go further. But then when I just started, I wasn't even interested in any other pattern that would build after I've already hit my TP. I just want to hit my TP and I'm out of the market. I just want to hit my TP. So I wasn't interested in still trying to make more profit from the market and how to lock a profit and then go for target 2 and all that. But I was just focused once I hit my TP. So as I'll set up a pending order, my 50% was my entry level. Then stop loss was 0%. Then TP was 161.80% using the Fibonacci retracement. So I will just set up then pending order. Then when I started, I saw pending order come down, hit my entry level, then we saw a continuation to go and hit my TP. Then and I started seeing that 8 out of those 10 peak, 8 will actually hit my entry level, then we will go down and hit my stop loss. Then we'll not see continuation. So I was fed up and I decided to do my own, then take a journal, a jotter and all that, and started writing down and analyzing what was going on. Just pardon me 1 minute, please. Someone said what else is this cucumber. I said it before, cucumber, lime and water. So and I started doing my own research and due diligence. And that's why I said, no, this is what I will start doing. My stop loss, if I, after analyzing my chart and everything, this is what I started doing. And I'm going to show you now. You see that was what I actually did with this last peak that I sent out. And I started making a lot of profit from it. So I advise beginners, yes, know your support line and all that. Then start. It's better for you to miss a trade than you miss losing money. It's better for you to miss a trade in the market than losing money, because the last time I said the pain of losing is higher than that one of winning. So it's better that I miss a trade that I was supposed to enter but I did not, than I lose money. So I now saw that yes, I was not actually making profit, and I was not making additional profit from the market instead of losing money. So my 0% was not my entry level, my 50% was out. I was not using that again as my entry level. Then my target still remains 161.80. So I was not using my 50%. I would draw my Fibonacci, knowing my way my 50%, where it's supposed to be the entry level. I would draw it, then I will go down, do my pending order, and my entry level will not be my 0%. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So my 0 level now will not be my entry level. So I now saw that sometimes 2 out of 10 trade will actually just hit my entry level. We get to that 50%, but my entry level is 0%. So it won't get to 0%, but you just get to that 50%. I will not saw a continuation. I'm okay. It's better I miss a trade than I lose that than losing money in the market. So I now started using that method and I became profitable. So if you are coming into the market, like I said, know the strategy, know the techniques that you're using. Then you can do it. There's nothing like the Adidas advert. Impossible is nothing. The strategy that you're using today, someone somewhere developed it and decided that, let's try this, and we are using it today. So you yourself, you can also use a strategy and you be profitable in the market. That was why you see the last time I was saying, anybody that comes out to say there's just one strategy in the market doesn't know what he's doing. People are using, I might have my own strategy, like what I just told you now. That's what I started doing. I might have my own strategy that is working for me. That doesn't mean that someone somewhere using his own strategy is not working for that person. So you knowing what works for you and sticking to it. Don't be greedy, because now if I was I was now like, the two trades that I missed, why did I'm greedy? Okay, I'll say no, let me start going back to my 50%. The eight trade that I won, then you now see that you are winning 2 and you are losing 8 again. So you will now be going front and back. So it's better for you to know your strategy, stick to it, and then you are open. Use the Bayanza analysis, stick to what you're doing, then be open for other information that is flying around the market, because there's a lot of opportunity, there are a lot of information. Don't stick to just this one way. You don't want to hear what is going on in the market, you don't want to hear what is going on in the news. What you are addicted to is what you are addicted to is looking for someone that wants to double your money and someone that wants to sell you robotic signal. You see some people they might spend like 20 hours online. What they are looking for is someone that wants to the best robotic signal in the market right now. They are looking for, if you check their search history on their browser, you see that everything is robotic signal. After those things don't work, it has never worked, it's never going to work. If the people selling robotic signal, if they are well to do, then they will not be stressing themselves looking for someone to give them $50, $20 for a robotic signal. So that thing, it doesn't work. You can able to develop your own strategy yourself, and you're using it in the market. That's true. You can develop your own strategy in the market. So don't limit your brain, don't limit your thinking. The sky is very open for us all to fly. There's a lot of space, so don't limit your thinking, don't limit your brain. That's why you see, that's what is happening now to this what's it called, these MT4 guys, and they are now frustrated now they are putting in more effort to get people to come and subscribe and register for their robotic signal. I'm going to show you now what I did, so you will see. They are looking for people now to show. One of them, they sent me the last video I did. I remember I spoke about, I told you, I don't have any WhatsApp group. You see, the reason why I don't like responding to people on Instagram message, that's DMs, is because I want to avoid stuff like this. Now, if you know that this man doesn't respond to someone on a DM, what you're supposed to do now, anybody that opens an account and message you via DM, you should know immediately that I'm not the one. I don't understand how I'm supposed to put this statement out there. I've told you guys, someone will still say me that, are you this? Are you this? No, I've told you, I don't have a WhatsApp group. I am not ready for WhatsApp group. I don't have a WhatsApp group. I don't respond to DM, a message on DM. If I'm not following, if you are not following each other, I don't respond to messages on DM. I only respond to people that I know personally. That's why I said, if you want to message, go to the website of the companies on our Instagram page. Go to the website, you see the contact form, fill in the contact form, then you click send. It gets to the company, then we can respond to you directly. So now you are confident that you're speaking to the right person. So please don't disregard any messages that claims that they are coming from us. I don't have that time for the WhatsApp group, please. So this bonus, they are putting in a lot of pressure now to get money from you, because if what you're doing is profitable, like now we just closed our trade now, we are out of the market. Today's Friday. I normally set my trade. I know I'm confident, but I've done my due diligence, and I'm confident that yes, with my trade, would there be a reversal of what I actually or what I initially analyzed? Yes, I'm still open for that. But you being able to at least backdate to like 5-7 years and then you enter a trade, it's better than you just diving into a peak, because you are using a robotic signal that has never worked and will never work. So you see that our trade, we are out of the market. It's just this euro, pounds, and the coin that we are still on, because there was a pullback like yesterday after this micro strategy bought over $177 million dollars of Bitcoin. So we saw a pullback, and our last order now to actually do another all-time high should be like $51,000. So once we can break through that 51, then we are hoping to hit another all-time high on Bitcoin. So it's not a financial advice. I'm just analyzing my market. This is not a financial advice on Bitcoin. I'm not giving you any advice to go and open your position. If you want financial advice from me, you message me directly, then we'll discuss. But this now is not a financial advice, because you might be watching the video 5 years or 20 years later. So let me just show you now, so we can call it a day. I'm traveling now. Need to go relax. What screen was I using again? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it 2? Oh. Okay, yeah, it's 2. Screen 2. Yes. Now you see what I analyzed. Now you understand why I say I do my own due diligence. If you go to the Instagram page, you will see, because it's not that pronounced, it's not, you see what I said here. This was the 0 level. I said wait for confirmation, entry level, ET. So if you see now, this is the scan, this is not the live market, and this is on our Instagram page. You can just visit now. It was posted on the 23rd. That was Monday, 23rd of August 2021. So let me use on the email, because I can actually increase and zoom in and zoom out on the email. If you see, because this is the email I sent to them because normally after analyzing, I send it out so that they can edit and add our logos, like our logo, you see, like our logo at the background, so that people will not go and start posting it and all that. So after adding the logo, they will send it out. So this the the scan I sent out 23rd of August. So if you see, because I can zoom out, you see, this was my, like I said, the way I started using my Fibonacci. So initially my entry level was supposed to be here at this 50% line, you see, then my stop loss will be here. So now, because of the I said I saw a tweezer invalidation at this level, so my entry level now became this level of 0%. When I said wait for confirmation, entry level ET, if you can see, yeah, you can easily go inside, and I said ET, entry level, wait for confirmation. This was the scan that was sent out. So now let's go. Initially my entry level was supposed to be here, this 50% entry level continuation, ETP1, ETP2. Then maybe we are gone. I build a pattern, I see a pattern, then I build this pattern. But if you see the scenario that I built, my bias, I saw a rebound that was confirmed by an inverted hammer at this level on a daily time frame. Because like I told you guys, I like to detail my chart. It's not a guesswork that you're guessing. I like to detail my chart, what I saw, what gave me my bias, what made it strong, why I'm confident that yes, because my bias, I saw a rebound that was confirmed by an inverted hammer on a daily time frame that was at this level. This is the, if you see, I said inverted hammer confirmation, daily time frame at this level on the daily time frame. Then because there was a tweezer invalidation on the daily time frame at this level, so we saw a fall. Then we now saw an inverted hammer to confirm that we're actually going there's a reversal, and we have seen a bullish trend. So at this level now, I already missed the trend. We saw a pullback here, then we saw a continuation. Then I'm not just going to dive in at this level, because I'm not just going to dive in because I already saw I already spotted that yes, we are having a continuation to actually go ETP1 or TP2. What I would do is to set up a pending order for an entry level. So normally I would have set up my entry level here because the market was already trading at this level. I would have set up my entry level here because if you are greedy, you just want to dive into the market. You are so eager to dive into the market. You don't want to study the market. You just want to dive in once you see a peak. So you need to have that calmness. Be calm. Don't force it. Don't force it. Don't force it. Don't be calm. Be calm with the market. Be calm. Just the way you calm with you. If you're married or be calm. Don't be like you want to fall. No. I saw this. Normally, if you see someone, you will be concerned that you don't want to miss out. You feel that you don't want to miss out will actually make you lose the money. So I saw there's this scan I was sent. Go to okay. This thing started showing date now. Yeah, you see on the it started showing date. That's good. You see on the 23rd, it was published by Osa Luis, that's my name, published on TradingView on the 23rd of August at about 7:16 a.m. So very good. I like that. So I decided to do my entry at this level. Now let's go now to the live market scan to actually see what occurred. Okay, now you see we are seeing the pullback now on the. So this was our entry level. This was our when the market was sent. The scan was sent out. Let me just zoom in so we can see. This was when the market was sent out. So you see now where I said below 0.4501, which is supposed to be below there. This was the 0. This 0 was supposed to be below this level. This level now became my pivotal. If I see a breakout from this level, then I will exit the market. Okay, yeah, this level, which was the what's it called, the where I spotted inverted hammer at this level that gave us a continuation, reputation here, and so a continuation to this. So this was the level here. So I don't just dive into the market and then. So look at what actually happened, because you see now this is it. Now we now saw. I just want to make this thing bold so you can see very well. So we actually saw it the 50. Let's assume now. Okay, you see what the interesting part now. Let's assume I was using my initial pattern. I will hit my 50% here entry level, then my stop loss here. You see? Can you see now? My stop loss at this level. What would have happened? I would have seen that, okay, a continuation downside, entry level activated, then we'll see immediately we hit immediately now we saw we hit this TP at this level now. Sorry, the stop loss at this level, we will now see a continuation. To actually respect this level, now we saw a continuation down. So in between my entry level and my initial now entry level and my initial entry level, I've already made a lot of pips out of this level. This This now is a bonus for me, because why? I was able to at least study and then form up your pattern. You can do it. It's not meant that everyone is you are not meant to be following people. Anything that comes into the market. That's why you are easily cajoled and you are easily deceived by people. Someone cannot come out like this and analyze a chart for you, and so you see life. This is the life market scan. Today is goes to this date again. Goes to this date. Yeah, you can see here. Today is the August 27th. This is the life market scan that is going on now. At this time, you see this candle now. This candle says 8 o'clock, and this one now is 10 o'clock. We are already after 10. So you see now this is a live market scan. You now saw now that we actually this is the analysis. This is the chart. I said wait for confirmation at this level, and immediately we entered the market. We saw a continuation up, and it actually respected this level. And now we are not seeing a continuation. So between now here and this place, we have already made a peep, even before we even actually hit our TP, because this level has been respected so much. So we are confident that yes, we are going to hit our TP. There's no reversal in our analysis. So this now becomes what? Entry level. Oh no, sorry. So if you can, you see what I just did now. This is a live analysis. So you can also implement it yourself. Know how to draw your Fibonacci retracement level, which is good. Then if you are entering at 50%, then make sure your entry is at 0%. Okay? Make sure your entry is at 0%. It's better that, okay, let's assume you miss the trade and you actually entry at this 50% activated. Then we saw a pullback, hit your stop loss, boom, you are out of the market, you have lost money, and then I will not see the continuation. You will be very angry. It's not the pain of losing this sometimes supersede the joy of winning to an extent. So this is how I use my Fibonacci. This is one thing I said I wanted to speak to you about. So if you see it now, this is just the live market scan. So like I said, that there's a pattern that I will notice. Once I notice the pattern here, then we'll see if we want to continue to actually go eat maybe make extra pip out of the trade. But for now, this is our TP1, TP2. You see now that we have already made, if I decide to close the trade now, we have already made money out of already from the trade. This is not due to, if I was following the line, this resistance line, and 50% drawing this level, you see, support, so resistant here. Now, let me see, I'll say, okay, this is my level. Now we're seeing pullback. Well, I said wait for confirmation, and we actually saw at that same level, that was where our entry was activated, which was 085470. Let's go now to the live market scan. Where is it here? Yeah, 085. Where is it now? It's just the live market. At this level here, 085641. Where's the okay? This is the line I just drew now. To line I just drew now. Just to be sure that I just drew this line now. It wasn't on the initial chart. You can see it wasn't there. There was no line there. So what it was, that level. Immediately we saw entry at that level. We now saw a continuation now to actually to our direction. So this is the analogy I said I wanted to show you on how I use my Fibonacci retrenchment. If you can see now, between this level already and this level, I already made pips. So even if I decide now, okay, today is Friday, or should I just close or leave it, or I will still we have made profit, although we have not hit our TP, but already we have made it some pips out of this market. So that's one thing I said I wanted to show you on how I use my Fib. So you can also apply this to your trading, and you see yourself, even if you miss a trade, it's fine. If I miss a trade, 2 trade, it's fine. At least I know that my account is still 100% than you forcing the market, and then you now hit your entry level stop loss, and then your account is down 20%, and you start again 20%. You start again 20%. Even if you are using risk management, you are risking 20. You are risking 20. At the end of the day, you risk all. Everything is done. You are done. You are gone from the. You are out of the market, and then you see. So if you can, you are able. You can do it. You can do it. You can be able to. And be able to develop your own pattern. You can don't just be lazy. If you are not doing, I normally do is I go research a lot. I go on internet, I do research, and I open the chart. Even if I'm not opening any trade, I just open the chart and start looking for support and resistance and doing my analysis. Then after analyzing, even if I'm not, I still use demo account. But I'll just go on the demo, and after analyzing, I will open it on the demo account, and I will leave it. I'll just say, I write it down on what I expect to happen, what I'm expecting from this trade, what I'm expecting from this candle, and all that. I will just analyze it, what I'm expecting from this candle. I'll spot a pattern, let's say a tweezer top or a tweezer bottom, or a bullish engulfing pattern, a bearish engulfing pattern, what's supposed to go next and all that. Then I'll open the trade, and then I'll see actually it happened like that. That alone builds your confidence. It builds your confidence in the market and builds your awareness of the market. Don't just open the trade and just leave it there. You are looking for people to double your money. You are even these people that are even using MT4, fake MT4. If they are able to at least put in their work and analyze chart and do their due diligence, they won't even be busy now showing people, trying to cajole people. Why are you trying to deceive people? Because you want them to come and subscribe, so that you'll be getting your daily bread from their subscription, not from the market. We are in the market to get our daily bread from the market. So now you are not focusing on the market, you are focusing on people. Otherwise, you won't be sending them or showing them fake listing. If you are able to do your due diligence, open. I have demo accounts from even because you can open a live account and open a demo account on the same broker, on the same. So I do, if I just analyze, I check a chart, I might be in the office for like all day. I'm just checking charts. I've already opened it, but I'm just checking charts and analyzing, and okay, this is what I'm expecting from, due to this pattern that just built. This is what I'm expecting. This is what I'm expecting to see. Then I'll open it on the demo account, and then I'll see it. Then it comes out like that. Then it builds your confidence. Okay, you do it again, you see a pattern building, then that's what builds your psychology, and now you see yourself having that confidence in the market. So you don't need to force a trade. Don't just be lazy. That's why I say I don't like lazy people. If you are not busy, go on something like the course that I showed you. What's it called? The advert, the course that I just finished, that I got my certificate. The last module I did, like the 3, 4, 5, like all the modules, I blasted all. The last one I did sign off. I got 100 over. Let me just show it to you if I can. The last course I did, I posted it on our. Here's it. I don't know if you can see it. You see, I got 100%. 100%. This is the last. This thing. The 20 answer was, and it wasn't. It was calculation and all that. It was formulas. These are the formulas that we were using. So it wasn't an easy task, but I was able to merge studies, merge work, merge my family life. My kids are there. I still need to give them attention. I still need to study. I need to manage portfolios. I need to analyze charts, and I need to write exams. You can understand this. So you don't need to be lazy. We are still young. We can use this our youthful age now to make things happen for ourselves, so that we don't suffer in your old age. If you are depending, I'm advising this people that are selling this thing. If you are depending on people, not the market, sooner rather than later, everybody will become wise. They will know your tricks. Now it will not be difficult for you now to go back now and start studying the market. So the time now you are using to go and use fake MT4 to show people so that they can enter your WhatsApp group, use that time now to study, analyze the chart. Even if you have make your own money from the market, and then you see that you don't even have time for these people anymore. You are not even focused on the market. I said that I have a program that is starting next week. And next week is September already, right? Today is 27. Yeah, next week is September already. I have a program that's starting next week. I have the program also from Advert that I told you guys they're starting in October. So by October, I will be having October 2021, I will be having 2 programs going on at the same time. I will still need to study. I will still need to do my research. I'll still need to send you people signal on Instagram and all that. I'll still need to do this and all that. Just me. Because why? I don't want to misuse my opportunity now. I don't want to misuse my youthful age now. Then at the end of the day, I will still have my kids are there. I will give them attention. I have my pets. I have 4 parrots. I have 2 dogs. I will still go and give them attention. So you need to be don't be lazy. Don't be a lazy trader. Go after your dreams. Everything is possible. The sky is too big. It's too large for you not to be looking for people that's going to, you are looking for people to catch you. We all are in the market. We all are in the market to make in the market to make a living. So focus on that. If you are like what I just showed you now, you've seen it that this guy knows what he's doing. Now you are able to at least focus your attention now on your own step. You will not see people. Naturally, people will be coming for you. You don't even need to go to them. They will be coming for you because why? They know that you know what you're saying. But if anything you are doing via deceit, will definitely, at the end of the day, you see yourself, you are the one that is going to fight. It will be with precaution. You are the one that is going to fight, honestly. So please, let's remove this mindset. We have intelligent people over here in Africa. We have intelligent youth. So don't misuse your youthful age and because you're looking for someone to come and subscribe to your listing, and then at the end of the day, you take the money, you go and rent a car, then you come back and tell them that you go to this thing and you are gallivanting. No. The worst thing I told you guys, the worst thing that can ever happen to anyone is to be deceiving yourself. You don't be deceiving yourself. You know you are not making money from the market. Why are you not deceiving yourself? I have people's portfolios that I manage. I just signed a big deal now with some guys, and their portfolio is okay. I will manage. I will read financial statement. I will read company's financial statement to know what we are supposed to invest in and know what we are not supposed to invest in. So you need to move your mindset from this first loan and then come to compound investment where you can then build very well. If you are into compound investment, you are now within financial statement, you will never have time to be building because those brokers that manages financial investment portfolio, they don't have MT4, so you cannot. You see, they don't use MT4. It's online and their app, which is secured. You cannot use it on MT4. You cannot load any money inside, so you can't deceive anyone that you have money inside. The money you seen inside is life is real money. It's not the one that you added with your software that is on your computer. You add money on this, you open a trade on your software, and you are showing people your MT4. You add a trade on software. After adding a trade on software, you are showing them the money that you just added on software, and then you see the trade is about to close. It closed. What's happening to Wall Street Journal? What news is this one? Okay, my people just got down there. So you are showing them, no, this investment portfolio, those brokers, you can't bend it. If your money is there, your money is there. If there's no money there, there's no money there. If you are making money, the money you will see it. There's no MT4. They don't do MT4 or MT5. So there's no one, you cannot deceive anyone. So you will stop these things that you are doing. So that's just I saw what I use my Fibonacci retracement to enter a trade. After you analyze it and you say, okay, this is my 50%, this is my entry level, and this is my stop loss and all that. So what you do is put your entry level at where your stop loss is and enter the trade like what I just showed you now, and you saw that, yes, that's how it's supposed to, that's how I do my stuff. And I didn't learn it from anyone. I sat down after losing a lot of money. I sat down and said, no, if I'm using Fibonacci is one of my best strategy that I use to enter a trade, and it has been working for me for a very long time. and it's still working for me. So whenever I set up, I saw I was losing, I said, no, let me do my own research. If at my entry level, and I've noticed that each time I set up a trade, 8 out of 10 will definitely hit my entry, then go and hit my stop loss before we not say condition. So why not have everything and then start setting up my entry level at where my stop loss is supposed to be? Then let's see what happens. So I started first with strategy first on the demo, and I was saying that yes, I said no, out of 10 I'll see 8 that actually go and we got activated, and 2 that were not, was unable to activate. But I was okay. I wasn't more concerned about the money I was supposed to make. That I missed this. A trade is better than me losing money in the market. So that's what I did, and I became profitable in the market. Beginners that are coming up, please don't come into the market with a lazy attitude. If you are coming into the market, don't believe anyone that says just come, there's a lot of money in the market, you will just be eating the money and all that. Yes, there's a lot of money in the market, but come with the right mindset that yes, this thing I'm getting into, it has to do with, it comes with hard work. I need to be dedicated. Forget about robotic signal, they don't work, it has never worked, it's never going to work. Forget about those guys that wants to double your money for you every week, it doesn't work. Even the bank will give you 9%, they are able to at least give you 10% of your 10% interest of your initial deposit for 1 year if you do a fixed deposit. So why would someone now double your money for you? It doesn't work. It has never worked. It's never going to work. So don't believe those people, don't fall for them. I just wanted to drop this here, and I'll speak to you again on Monday. You have a lovely end of the week, and I hope your weekend will be peaceful, and I'll see you guys again on Monday. Please, sorry I didn't say this because they say I normally forget it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, please. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is growing gradually. I was supposed to do a live yesterday, but I was very busy. I had other engagement. So very soon, I just want us to get to some certain level, then we'll start doing live, and I will be showing you some strategy and how I enter the market and all that, so we can all learn together. At least if I'm talking to you, I'm still learning from myself as well. And if we are able to build a community whereby I learn from you, you learn from me, we'll be able to move together and progress together. It's not normally it's an island, so we need to learn from each other, which I'm very interested in and passionate. That's why you see that's why I do what I do. That's the reason why I do what I do. I want us to build a community of traders where we can learn from each other and then build a strong partnership and a strong community that of youth that will take over their generation. That's why I do what I do, and people are saying I do it for free. Yes, I send that to signals for free on our Instagram page and on Facebook page every Monday. We just went through now. If you actually took those trades on Monday, you would have at least made something, even if it is no amount is straight to that made some pips out of those trade. You saw that all the trade actually came according to plan. So that's why I do what I do. I know time will come for a reward, but for now, I'm not focused on getting money out from people. No, I make money from the market. My target is the market. My target is not you. My target is the market. I'm trying to beat the market. I'm not trying to beat you. So that's my own psychology of the market. I'm not trying to beat you. I'm not trying to get you. I'm trying to beat the market. The market is my target. So I'm just sharing my ideas so that we can build a community whereby, yes, I manage portfolios for people. After managing portfolio, once someone wants to meet our company to manage portfolios for them, then we'll come to an agreement. This is what we're going to build your portfolio for you, and this is what we expect that at the end of the year, this is what the percentage return will be at. Then we do that, and then at the end of the day, we make money from our own, from the percentage that we actually got for the client. Then we are happy, and I'm trading. I'm building my own portfolio. The company has its own portfolio that we are managing. I have my own personal portfolio that I'm managing, and we have clients' portfolio that we are managing. So that's where I make my money. I don't need your subscription money, because I don't want to be indebted to anybody. Just imagine you paying me $50 or $100 now. I will be indebted to you because now, if even though I decide that okay, I'm not feeling well, I don't want to send that signal on a Monday. I might be feeling sad. Okay, people are there, but I won't be indebted that oh, I need to do this for these people because I've been paid. So that's why I do what I do. I'm indebted to the market. This market is my target, not you guys out there. So I want all of us to be profitable. Focus your attention on the market. Focus your attention on the market, not on people trying to cajole them to go buy fake robot that doesn't work, and you are showing them fake MT4 account. If you know your fake, those guys that show their MT4, fake MT4, come, let's go on live. Yeah, not live on Zoom. Let's go on. Let's make what's it called? Let's go on like a TV station, and let's go on live and bring your computer and then show them. We'll stay on the studio. We'll start the studio with my computer and all that. Then let's open the trade, let's analyze the chart and open the trade, and then you show them live. Everybody will be watching. Not this one you are using what's it called? You are using a software to load money. I showed the video I did last time. You can go and watch it. It's still on our YouTube channel, on how those guys expose this guy that use MT4, how they load the money and all that. It's rampant there in South Africa, especially in Johannesburg. Those guys there, it's rampant there. Dublin also. Those are the guys that are into this thing. The money they are showing you is not there. There's no money there. They are load it on excuse me, on their software, and then they show you on this thing. Just made this now. No, you are not making any money. The target is you don't need to. I don't need to show you my what's it called, my account balance. It's not your business. It's not your money. I don't need to show it to you. Yeah, I know I'm making money. Even with the chat that I sent to you know that these people, they are making money. So I don't need to convince you that I am making money. It's not your business. My account is not your account. So anybody that comes out to show you a fake MT4 account is trying to cajole you to take your own money. So beware of them. And that's one of the way to know them. Once they start showing you MT4 and the trade that they are taking, and that's their balance at this thing, just know that they are the ones. They have their software that they are using. If they disagree with me, then let's go out on. We can even do a Zoom if that's possible. We let them come out. Let's do a Zoom. I'll tell them to log in on Apple laptop and go to their broker account, their on the portal on the laptop, and log in and show them, because your money that's on the MT4 is on the portal, on the broker's portal. So let them show us so that we can follow them and know where they are making this money from. So that will be all for now. Please follow us on our Instagram page, follow us on Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notifications so you can be eating, and like, share with your friends. Yeah, share with your friends and all that. So have a lovely weekend, and I'll speak to you again on Monday, and I hope your week was profitable. Bye bye for now.